All right, on a ladder right now, risking my life as always, and just want to point out this roof here. It's an old type of material. So check out this shingle type. Look how big it is. Each tab is like really big. I have yet to see this roof material in all the years I've been doing this. So the first thing I want to point out is walking up to the house, there's no drip edge anywhere on the edges of the roof. And you can see this is all cupping and bent over. It doesn't feel to be brittle yet, not too bad, but other parts of the roof are in really poor shape. So let's take a walk up here and check it out. So as you can see here, this is all obviously falling apart. So you can crumble it up in your hands. It's time to replace it. It's always a good way of telling. If you look over here, I mean, this is visible from the ground when you walk up to the front door of the house. Very obvious this roof needs to be replaced. Some more and more damage everywhere you go. If you try hard enough. Oh, look at this. There's this another layer below this layer, so we got multiple layers here. And as you can see, no ventilation for the attic or the garage. Ventilation is important for your roof materials. It expels heat from the attic areas, so your shingles are not cooking from the inside out. If you look over here, there's no vents. So this is very common with an older house. It's an easy upgrade. Definitely something you want to do when you're re-roofing your house is add proper ventilation. So let's go down to the edge here. A lot of the roof debris is inside the gutters right now. And because there's no metal drip edge anywhere around the roof's edge, it's caused a lot of wood damage. This is Dave, the termite inspector over here. I'm doing a little roof video right now. So because there's no metal drip edge, it's caused a lot of wood damage to the soffits and wood trim around the roof, which Dave just found. You can clearly see where somebody tried to fix this part with a newer shingle. Yeah, this whole thing just should have been torn off years ago and just redone. Another thing about having too many layers on your roof is you see all this patching here. The flashing that comes with the original layer roofing is only intended to handle one layer. So when you put a bunch of layers on top of that, you got to constantly fill this thing with roof tar. See all the way over here in this vent as well. And this here is this looks like transite exhaust vent pipe right here. Or this could be a plumbing vent, you never know. I've seen it used for both. This looks like a abandoned vent pipe, as I can see right into the attic, looking down that pipe. So when they redo the roof, they can take this out because you don't need this vent anymore. It's no longer being used. And we have another one here. What's this one for? This also looks like transite pipe, which is likely asbestos. That one's full of cobwebs. I can't tell what's going on there. I'll have to take a look inside the house. Let's see what else is going on up here. Well, from the ground, this water heater vent pipe looks really loose. And that's because it is. And over here we have what looks like an aluminum patio cover. Once again, a lot of damage here. Just falling apart. Definitely time for a new roof. And this would be a furnace vent. The forced air furnace, which I'm sure is inside the house. This is not the ideal place for a plumbing vent because it's coming out of the ridge of the roof. It's not going to seal properly. It should be down here somewhere. You don't want to ever put anything in the ridge of a roof or in the valley area, which would be right in this area here. You should never put penetrations in there. All right, so that's about it for now on this roof. Just wanted to give you guys a little video and insider look at how I'm inspecting roofs and what to look for, and give you an idea of just how to identify a bad roof just by looking at it from the ground. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll get you some more videos as soon as I can. Have a good day. Don't forget to vote. Today is November 2nd.